Hi, this is Neil of Team Teacher, teaching, living and raising a family in China. Today we're looking at the Super Mario Bros. Classroom Blast PowerPoint Bomb game. Let's check it out. The Super Mario Bros. Classroom Blast PowerPoint game is made by Jennifer Young of the Weigu Forum, and we'll put a link in the comment section below of the video so you can get a copy of this for yourself. So the home screen is some toad heads, and you have to choose which one in order to go to a question, and you'll choose by a letter or number. You're asked a question, they get the question correct, and you click on the Mario to go to the reward or punishment. And here you get points denoted by the amount of Mario coins you receive, and you click on the house in the bottom right corner to return to the home screen. They have some special events. For example, sometimes you have an option of different blocks, block 1, block 2, block 3, that give you different rewards or punishments. You could receive a bomb and lose some points. You could receive a star and gain lots of points. Or you could receive a shell where you can steal some points. Well, I hope you enjoyed our video walkthrough of the Super Mario Bros. Blast PowerPoint game. Please remember to like and subscribe to our channel, and check out the comment section below to get your copy of the PPT. Thanks. Goodbye.